grade. Today you're going to record two-digit addition using the standard algorithm. I'm going to read you a word problem, and I want you to write down the numbers that you hear and put them how you think you're supposed to be, and we'll check your work. Stacking and adding, okay? Are you ready? There were 45 boys. Show your work. And 63 girls. There were 45 boys and 63 girls who ran in the race. How many children ran in the race? Okay, go ahead and figure that out. Okay, I liked how some of you guys were already making this kind of look like that. Okay, first what do we do, boys and girls, when we are adding? Jason? Add the ones. 5 plus 3 is what? Lena?
8.
8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now look at the other side. 6 plus 4 is what? Xander? 10. Now, boys and girls, we haven't had this yet. You might have on your math minutes, but you haven't had this yet as a whole class. Some of you have never had this. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now, when I make that 10, this is a ones, right? And this is a tens, right? Well, you can't do that on here. You can't put a ones under here on the ones. Okay? This is actually not 10, it's 100. Technically 100. So this is your tens. There should be 0 tens. And technically there'd be 1 100 over here, but you're not going to add a 1 to nothing. So you're just going to write the number 10 on that side. So now what is our number? 108 is what? How do you read that, everybody?
108.
108. 108 what?
Children.
Children. I do want you guys to try to, I know I just did it, not say 108. Say 108. 108. Not 108. 108. All right. Next page. Okay, they are saying, Mrs. Myers sold 47 snacks before the game. Then she sold 85 snacks during the game. How many snacks did she sell? Okay, so she has 47 plus 85 down here. She's saying 7 plus 5 is what, boys and girls? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Everybody?
12.
12. So if we do 12, we put a 2 in the ones, right? What do we do with the 1?
Break it up. Break it up to the 10.
Put on the tens. Okay. Now we have 8 plus 4 plus 1. What's 8 plus 4? Everyone?
12.
12. Plus 1 more is?
13.
Okay, now remember, you wouldn't put the 1, we wouldn't regroup the 1 over here. We're just going to write 13. Okay? The only time you're regrouping and putting ones on top is if you have another number to put it on top of. If you don't have another number to put it on top of, I mean, you're basically putting it here and adding the 1 down the bottom. Okay? All right. So share and show. Okay, okay. Number 16. Without finding the sums, circle the pairs of addends for which the sum will be greater than 100. Which one of these do you think that when you add together will be greater than 100? Henley?
54 and 71.
Why do you think that?
Because they're both big numbers.
Okay, because they're both big numbers. These can be all these can kind of be big numbers. They might be the biggest numbers though. Okay. I have another reason why, but let's see if someone else can tell me maybe why that one would be more than 100. Matthias?
Because the tens not just equal 100. Like the 5 plus 5 equals 10. They're greater than.
Okay, so I think of 50. I know that 50 and 50 is 100, right? Mm-hmm. This is 54, which is more than 50, and this is 71, which is more than 50. If they're both more than 50, they have to be more than 100, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you think of are there other ones that are? No, there's not other ones that have both numbers more than 50. Is there another group of addends that you think that would be more than 100? Manon?
47 and 62.
47 and 62. Now tell me why you think that.
Because the 62 is bigger than 50, and I thought the 47 was just big enough to get it over 50.
Okay. 62 is 12 over 50, right? 47 is only 3 under 50. So that one would be more than 100. If you look at the tens places, 5 and 7 is, 5 plus 7 is what? 12. And 4 plus 6 is 10. Well, if this was 12, you would be 12 plus whatever this number would be, 4 and 1. So that'd be 125. 6 and 4 is 10. Add 7 and 2 would be 9. That would be over 2. If you just look at the two tens numbers, if they will equal 100 or more, then you know. Because 7 plus 1 is just 8, so that's only going to be 80 something. And 5 plus 3 is 8, so that's only going to be 80 something. Okay? So, how do we decide? I can look at the, I'll write the word pin. You can look at the tens place. Look at the 10 place in each pair. Yes? I can look at the 10 place in each pair. P-L-A-C-E. I'm not done writing, so looking at the tens place. If the sum of the tens place is 10 or more. The tens place is 10 or more. Hold on. I would circle those added. That's quite a lot to write, so those. H-O-S-E. I would circle those added.